If you are a teacher, today I'm going to show you how NotebookLM's biggest update can save you hours of planning and make your lessons more engaging. No matter what subject you teach, I tested every new feature, building PowerPoint, worksheets, flashcards, and even generating short explainer videos. And I'll show you how to structure them into a complete lesson using Rosenshine's research-informed teaching routines. Let's get started. NotebookLM used to be mostly a research summarizer. You'll upload sources, it will give you back text. Now, with a new update, it builds actual editable files, PowerPoints, Excel sheets, PDFs, and it can generate video overviews and shorts directly from your teaching resources. Before I jump into demonstrations, let me show you the lesson structure. I'm using Rosenshine's Principles of Instructions, a set of research-informed teaching routines drawn from decades of classroom research. These aren't just theories, they are specific, repeatable routines that effective teachers use every day. Daily reviews, presenting new materials in small steps, guiding practice, checking understanding of students, independent practice. Every resource I generate from NotebookLM will slot into one of these routines over here. 4 phases, each linked to a research-informed routine, each powered by a NotebookLM resource. Now let me show you how to build each one. Phase 1 is your warm-up. First routine is your daily review, activating what students already know about the topic before you introduce anything new. And NotebookLM's video overview feature is built for this, but you need to write the prompt properly. Here is a sample prompt. You can take a screenshot of that, or you can pause the video and write it down. So let's copy the prompt. I've copied my prompt. In my NotebookLM, I'll add the sources. This includes my own notes and any research that I've done. I've inserted the prompt over here, and then I'll go ahead and click submit. So using the sources, now NotebookLM has generated this video for me. So by the time the bell goes, as students walk in, their prior knowledge is now activated. And that's the daily review routine. So this will be the video that you could play. Phase 2 is guided learning. Effective teachers present their new materials in small steps and provide examples that students can follow. So here I'm going to use 2 NotebookLM resources together. First, a short form video that models the key concept in 60 seconds, and then a PowerPoint. So here is a prompt that I've written, and these are some examples of prompts that you can use in different subjects. So I'll go to my notebook, put in the prompt, click on submit. There you go, your 2 resources are ready. Let's have a look at the short.
2 stages of photosynthesis in under 60 seconds. Ready? So let's dive right in.
That would be your short. Now, students have the concept visually. They are ready for the detail. Let's click on the PowerPoint. So this was a generated PowerPoint that can be used in the classroom with your students. It covers all the important topics and concepts that you had highlighted in your summary over here. So you've got short that models the concept in a PowerPoint that breaks it into smaller steps. Phase 3 is your independent task. Students get to practice first, then move to independent practice. The aim is to get them to complete things on their own. So your worksheet is where this happens. Let's put in this prompt into NotebookLM and click submit. Here's your worksheet. Diagram labeling is guided. Students apply what you just modeled. Short answer questions are independent. They work on their own. The extension task on section 3 and 4 is about students trying to develop the understanding of the topic. So there you go, one worksheet, and it has different levels of the routine. Phase 4 is your recap. In the final routine, you can check students' understanding weekly or monthly. For discussion purposes, I'm going to use flashcards generated from the same notebook for retrieval practice. So I'll go to NotebookLM, I'll put in my prompt, and I'll click on submit. So now here are my flashcards for my recap. So if you click on each of these flashcards, they'll give you a concept and the answers are at the back. So keep going and click on the answer. This is a lesson structure built on research-informed teaching routines. The warm-up uses daily review. A video overview activates what students already know. Guided learning uses small steps and models. A short demonstrates the concept before the PowerPoint breaks it down. The independent task moves from guided to independent practice. One worksheet with 3 levels of scaffolding, and the recap checks understanding and builds a long-term retention. Flashcards and discussion questions close the loop. Every resource generated from one notebook, every phase linked to a routine backed by decades of classroom research. This framework works for any subject, any year level, any topic. The prompts I've shown you for English, Maths, and Geography, History, Tech, and Science are ready for you to copy and adapt. The routines stay the same: daily review, small steps, guided to independent practice, check for understanding. You just swap the topic and the year level. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future tips. Like this video to support the channel and comment below to tell me which subject you want me to cover next. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.